Okay, good day yesterday. We had 84 hours in and about 60 units out. Today I set our targets at 60 in and 35 units out.
Hey, it's Erin Girizzo here, and I'm here in the Supercell at Classic Accident Repair Center. Today we're going to walk you through a vehicle going through the process here from A to Z. We have a ton of vehicles outside ready to come in. All of the vehicles outside that have the yellow hats on indicate that it's coming here in the Supercell. Can't wait to show you how efficiently and quickly it goes through our process.
So here we are. This is actually week 3 of full production in the new Symach DCR supercell. I gotta tell you something, it's amazing how well our team has adapted to it and how we're taking advantage of this great technology. It's almost like if I was building a shop, and we are building another one down in Columbus, but if I was going to refurbish or build a shop today, to not consider this type of technology, a panel-specific curing, to me, it's just you're missing the boat, because it's so much more efficient. It's almost hard to watch or feel one of our other traditional booths in full bake mode, you know, bellowing out the doors with heat for a couple, 2, 3 panels. The other thing is, like the vehicle that just went in there, we're so stretched for booth capacity with our traditional booths that normally we would have taken those doors off. We take panels off for 2 reasons. One, quality, which we don't stop doing now, but the other is just to provide the capacity in the traditional booth so that we could have those doors tag along with another booth cycle. Because the cycles are absolutely so fast with the Symach equipment, there's no need to do that anymore. So we've got a strategic savings going on there in labor, along with the strategic energy savings, because our energy use, we're really looking forward to seeing where that actually ends up. But early indications, we're under half of the energy use that we used to use in the traditional booth. So could not be more pleased, more excited about what we have going on here in the future. Awesome.
My name is Bob Suadolnik. I started running the supercell here about 2.5 weeks ago. I've been in this business for 47 years. I started in 1972 in a traditional body shop. I just have to say that this is nothing like I've ever experienced before. The Sienna van that we pulled in this morning is already done and on its way to detail. That just wasn't possible even a couple years ago. I mean, these jobs go through here so fast, it's incredible.
So it's really cool to experience, you know, what you'll see in the video today. We decided to do a time study on a vehicle, 2 panels, a relatively small repair. The car gets here this morning. We hadn't even taken it apart yet. And literally by lunchtime, it's near ready to go back to the customer. So a half a day, small repair, 2 panels, repaired, primed, painted, cured, rubbed and reassembled and ready to go back to the customer in literally half a day. Amazing.
So it's It's about half the day's gone by now, and we are still rocking and rolling here in the supercell, watching these cars come in and go out quickly. It's been fun following this van around all day, and the vehicle's completed. It's 12:30. It's just got to go to detail, and once it's all cleaned up, we'll call the customer for pickup. So awesome stuff here. It's been so fun seeing how efficient and quickly we've been getting cars done. Thank you all for watching again. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Feel free to leave any of your comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback, and we will see you next time.